This literally tastes like nothing. I was so excited for that, and I got disappointed. I have Halo's water because y'all know my baby's not gonna be dehydrated. That is the last thing he would ever be. Yeah, I gotta pause. Alright, my skin has been pretty good. I just really told her that I really want to work on my acne scarring and my discoloration that I have on my face. Greedy boy. Nah, you're not getting that. You're so greedy. Oh. Just take it. It's a banana.
Show
greedy boy. Nah, you're not getting that. You're so greedy. Oh. Just take it. It's a banana. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I haven't actually, let me change this brightness because like this. Oh damn, I'm coming to get Demisha. I haven't spoke to y'all on the first day because I was working out and I didn't remember to pick up my camera. Oh. Why did I try to go to the other side? I didn't remember to pick up my camera. Hello. Hey. So today is Tuesday. But yeah, so we're about to the gym. Today is upper body day. And it's gonna be a quick session because upper body, like I need to get my upper body workouts down pat. But oh yeah, about to firefighters eating ice cream. That's so Connecticut. Oh my goodness, like you do not see nothing like that in New York. But yeah, let's go get this workout in. It is a new day and I just got back inside from the gym. We're about to actually go on a family date to our favorite restaurant. Well, not my favorite restaurant, but one of my favorite restaurants, Mecca Noodle Bar. And they got some new menu items that I want to try. They like these crab sandwiches, like these soft shell crab sandwiches, and I'm just like, yeah, I gotta go. And we can bring Mr. Halo. That's his food that is ordered. Yes, you can have them outside. So we're going on a little family day. This is our first family date. Like, wow, this is our first family date. We gotta make this a tradition. So we're probably gonna make this a monthly thing. Damn, I haven't hold this in a while. My arm hurting. But yes, so we're about to go to Mecca Noodle Bar with Halo. And I want to bring him his treats too so he can have something to eat as well while we're there. And then yeah, so let's go. Okay, so first we're gonna walk Halo and let him do his thing because we're gonna be there for a while sitting down eating. I literally have like his treats, his water, because it's literally no breeze out here. Like y'all, it's hot. Like it's hot, like really really hot. But yeah, we're gonna let him use the bathroom and get his poopies out, and then we're gonna go to Mecca because I am fiending for them crab sandwiches and all the other stuff they got. Cause they got bad shit. They got like these, you know, the cheeseburger sandwich you be getting, but it's crab. He never pees when he's supposed to pee on. I just want to stop and show y'all this flower. It's so freaking cute. Okay, we're sitting down. It's literally so hot that my camera lens is fogging up. I have Halo's water because y'all know my baby's not going to be dehydrated. That is the last thing he would ever be. Oh, where's the food? Oh, right here. I need you. Listen. Sir. Halo, down, over here though, and go and down, Baba. So you're not gonna get a treat if you don't go down, and you stay. You hear me? Stay. Listen. You stay right here. Don't move.
Put that over there.
Oh, thank you.
And there's some
We got chicken Halo. He's so nosy. No. We got your water.
Alright,
what happened to...
Betsy, I believe your service will be out.
Okay, thank you. Can you get back down? I didn't tell you to get up. Down. Thank you. This looks good. Is that mushroom? Oh no, that's just onion. This is the Uzu Yoshu corn. I know I'm saying that wrong, but who cares? Y'all already know me. I got my kale crunch salad. And then I got the new crab bios, whatever they call them. I had to get my extra salad dressing because y'all already know I don't play with that with my salads. It's kale, but y'all know kale is thick, so about to dig in. First I'm gonna try this because I already know how my kale salad tastes. So, ooh, this looks so good. This is good. That's that man with that dog. That shit, that gray dog, give me that brown dog. He big, he like Halo, and every time you see Halo, he be stiff.
Yeah. You got problems with that dog. You see it.
Yeah, you can see it. This is ours. His steak salad, and it came with a side of rice. I like sticky rice. This looks good, but it has steak in it, and I'm like, But a steak salad sounds fire. It's a new day. Pay no mind to my hair. I literally intentionally did not do my baby hairs because I am about to go get my first facial, and I don't know why this thing is like heavy, but I'm about to go get my first facial in a long time. My friend Tori is a esthetician now. She's in school for it. She's almost done, and she wants to do some facials on me, and I was like, absolutely, because they had a really good discounted price. Excuse my voice. I'm literally thought this was over, and it's still here. Like, now my throat hurts and I'm congested, but whatever. Yeah, so I'm about to head to her now. I have to be there for 11 o'clock. I actually have to leave now because I was supposed to leave 3 minutes ago. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my facial done by my friend Tori, and I'm super excited. And yeah, let's go do that because my skin has been pretty good. I just really told her that I really want to work on my acne scarring and my discoloration that I have on my face, the little bit left over, and some extractions. Definitely need that. So she gonna give me the whole shebang because, girl, yeah, do what you gotta do. And then I probably go a month later to do maybe some either micro needling for the texture or microdermabrasion. I don't know, we'll see. But let's go because I don't want to be late. So we are here. I'm literally about to walk in and meet my friend. Let's go get this facial. I'm excited. I definitely need this. I hope I don't fall asleep because I feel like I am, because I definitely need some TLC for sure. Like on my face, my body. I want to get a massage too, but so yeah, let's go get this facial done. Okay, so here I'm gonna put my phone. Get that content out. Did you make a TikTok too?
No. I haven't, but I have.
Okay, this is the aftermath of my facial from my girl Tori. It's literally so hot, y'all. Like, god damn it. But this is the aftermath of the facial. I literally did not do my edges because I did not want edge control to be on my face. But It's tea. My skin looks really good. I'm gonna book her again at the end of July. She literally graduates in August, so I have to hurry up. But I'm definitely, is my door open? Yeah, it is. Gonna book my girl again in the end of July so that I can get my facials done. And I can't wait till she goes into actually having like full services, because I will be going to her because she did a good job for it to be practice. So yeah, we're literally going home now. And sorry y'all, that's my classical music. We're going home now, and then it's gonna take me 40 minutes to get home. And literally the facial was free, so I was like, oh my god, I'm just gonna tip her some money so that I can actually give her, you know, something for doing my facial. But I should get gas. I'm gonna do that too, so let me get gas and then we're gonna head home. Y'all, it is so hot outside. It's 97. But I want to show y'all what I ordered on Amazon, because I'm tired of buying my matchas, and Dunkin' Donuts discontinued their banana bread, like cold foam. So Starbucks has it still, but I didn't like how Starbucks tastes. So, and I'm just not cool with spending $8 for a drink. So this was the best one on Amazon. It had the best and highest reviews. So we're gonna give her a try. And see, I'll tell you something. Let's make my matcha drink, because I definitely need it, and I need to eat something. Let me set this up. Let me get my cup. This is my go-to matcha cup. I think I'm gonna use this one today. I love this company. They're really good. I forgot I gotta set up the whole thing. I'm gonna start it with my cold foam. It's literally just gonna be heavy whipping cream and the banana bread. I already smelled it. It smells divine, like so good. I literally have a thought there with my espresso, but I just don't feel like plugging that in. 5 minutes. You see my facial? Nice.
You like it?
Yeah, she did a good job. Oh, it's 100 degrees outside.
96.
What did it say it feel like?
110.
Yep.
Yep. It's like
No, it's fucking hot as hell.
What is that?
This is literally the only, oh no, not up there now. This is the only stores I have. This shit better give banana bread. It had 30,000 like views. Am I tripping? This is not good banana bread.
Is that the one that Duncan used?
No.
Which one Duncan used today?
Like,
Why ain't you see the one Duncan used? I got that one. I'm sure you have
maybe I
it.
need more. Like, where the fuck is the banana bread? See the light, bro. See the light. This literally tastes like nothing. I was so excited for that. And I got disappointed. Do not buy this. 33,000 reviews. Let me actually show y'all. Because I'm actually pissed off. $31. This has the highest rating. Literally at the beach, and it's so freaking hot that my phone is overheating. But I need to get my tan, so I'm literally about to just stand here. I was reading my book, The Power of Now, but I'm just like, I don't feel like reading that shit no more. I just want to lay here and get my tan, so that's what I'm about to do.